So for the Yen Church will be an Imovia once again and Fambra Medibo official channel. No, so now Saturday be a window that I know you can see I the show no energy Ebramunti say Oyen shall say any and Nema the health practitioners, the National Health Service, Edia to just say in Nams and Famboy Hobina Israel. Now, what shall see experience instead of be waiting at the Hoban and feed the COVID-19 no. Coronavirus no ama wabusia etimi enya wabra yare no yankopon albo ye hoban ama yetimi enya anu aduro no na oso betimi aka ye ho bi nti bebia da make sure say answer na oberuto bia mu no na say after so bi mu no obe horo nsa with insua etene ebetimi ay insu ebetimi ay den ena say wo hand sanitizer ko le ku wan bia na o de no afa onsa kama enma nema konkan ede ama wo ama megana mai etimi anya wesanse yakopon ewo ade ede mountain ya eneyi that's etiasin nti without wasting my time yes so subscribe and so not subscribe abeka yabusia ko no se de be ya yabusia ko no ebetimi atretre sebi as man focus on perudo na yen atias phone ti tell a friend to tell a friend say my Diba official show no is once again on the airborne nti also so obe subscribe and log into your YouTube channel no now wako show ni biene yatnasia na ensema eni club officials ni bi ede air tuja eni obeti na penyiwe sesi enra Oluboy Komodo enso so of Accra Girl Olympics onos kasa ewo Otek FM so na ninsema oka nyina ne se o se players no o mo timiti ase meti o mo salaries no so na o se boni beka se pay cut no o se o mo etimi so se de be ya o mo ehwo betimi an ha o mo na no cite example bi se o kwa breaching po a there are some of the teams and most of the teams there on Barcelona included o mo nyina etimi action players ne salary ne so said a bear on betimi echetia the other staff of the team no eka because some salaries some gen also inti ne Ghanaian players no so enwe so na omo intimity omo salaries no so na me bisa mo say how much are they paying paying their players sika send on the team players neka and eya sika no akacha na eba in 10 times so ema players no 8 years can e the year de omo epe. These are clubs which players need be 200 cities, 100 cities, and 150 cities, 300 cities, and say also person this kind of na be uchi and 150 cities I enter man 10 times. What do you compare players a BJ in excess of 550,000 pounds sterling a week, a BJ almost 350,000 euros a week. Ronaldo did 500 euros a week, and to such an outrageous amount on even the only 100,000 euros a week in poor. Was slash 50% out of it, about 50,000 euros compared to our Ghanaian players. Even as and when a league in airborne, their salaries in Emma and a bampo and some 6 months, 7 months, so much 100 cities, 200 cities, 300 cities, Emma players. And then you are talking about slashing a salary just because there has been a pandemic and to be taking advantage of it. Now with the wrecking the players, you ask yourself, say, before say His Excellency, the President of the Republic, ever suspend the mass gathering, the last salaries, players in the saga, most of the teams in GIA. And this only in Chiakana, they also best slashing the salary. And bear in mind, also as families take care of. And they affect each and every personnel. And this is all thing the salary. So how would the person be able to take care of the families? So I believe that there's not something I was about my Jim Crab. A lot of the times they can't say more teams also no infantile players because the players over there are enjoying. The players over there are being paid well, even across Africa. No more Akachi said they are not in Europe, but rather they are in Ghana. So why is it that now the essence say ye dana and come dino? I say the contract and any and they anke komo dan dia anko ni medjuma. This is something that the labor union, they shouldn't even agree with them, because they can and they should, because senkeske agent ewosoro eye na nka otu players nika 2000 ebia 150 another 15,000 kwa na say be otu nika 3,000 cedis a month. So slash here the player will have something to take home, or even 1,000 Ghana cedis kwa na ote so obenya 500 cedis home. Be utu player nika be 200 cedis, now it's like 100 cedis a month. And near yet to be able and those on anya post and those anchor now go chroman FCC and ABA 11 city baby, and then those auto tenor yeah the amount 220 cities and can be 200,000 to any part a gufia and those little bit mato what we could do saying Jane saying and one saying what on nam say question as if no I didn't say not on more saying Garampo and the long kako 20 cities. It is all slashing his salary, all slashing his own cocoa, another slashing some wedding. The club owners, the club officials shouldn't even tell us this. We've given them the platform. If they have any other means of paying the players their salary, they should. They shouldn't even think of slashing their salaries. It's their players, but the players also know they have their rights. Uko Esision, was Switzerland, and they, our players are to bend my angel to see and slash on salary in terms of my palm, and the players are FIFA now aquatic compensation because they didn't sign the contract for that. And this is even the case whereby most of the class owe their players, into the players in the canal. Also, ubeti music so na wama a peanut no. Now you crampono, for conscience, how does it tell you? Is it right for you to starve the players? You are suffering, you are struggling, even when the league was going on. And the league in Enkosono, try to compensate them. The players worked for months without receiving almost full of their salaries. But just still, most of them kept quiet and they were working. And Tinea BBAC are equal against you. You shouldn't. And answer the officials, no, yes, no, players, no, Sabi Omonyankwa, Bible no crime say, Ujumani Ekeche Efatano. And so my Juma and Omodas a Juma, the moment if you're Omodas a Juma. Or when you're training all those stuff, or be aware training, while workout, one man training regiment, so follow via no Koreabo, or follow via Kobe some smoothie, fruit be, nenka, or they are energizing home. But near woman that money, it means, or we also pay Bankubi, then you or the attention and this will help the player, and it will help the club, and they want the motive of staying in the league, or the motive of winning the league. In the end, they say, credible chance, I believe that other clubs should look at that, and it will help the players and help them moving forward. And let's pray, say, Saudi way, yes, I have best since I'm a cell communo, a bit more free on my Yababa activity as I saw. I call send your next TNT, aha, and there you did my daily AC. Don't forget, Sahan Edas A. Madiba official, so ha. Yaba never reacted to the issues a different reacting to issues and they make waves across the length and the breadth of the Republic of Ghana. Stay safe. It's Robo Homa, it's a Ghana my and for now, you will make a say thank you, adios. That's P to the BOD or credit a log into a channel no now over issue no emanema a conkai edema. Tell a friend that they should log into Madiba official on YouTube and subscribe. Subscribing, they should make sure they click on the bell over there so that if there, in case there's a new video, they will be notified. Adios, gracias, muchas, aba celesta. Bye bye.